It is DTC Site Week, and Rapaport Research estimated the value at $420 million. This is at the lower end of the site values we've observed throughout the year, but the value is certainly up from where site number 8 was in 2009 at roughly $300 million. Observers signaled no price changes this month. For a detailed look at the October site, be sure to check diamonds.net on October 7th. Retail consultants gave their best shot at Christmas sales projections for the U.S. this week. What is clear from the data, if you market early and often, keep costs under control, play nice with social and mobile media, and translate your brand's value proposition to would-be shoppers, you can expect at least single-digit increases in sales this year. ICSC was the most optimistic group of all, predicting chain store sales would increase 3 to 3.5%. This measure is for same-store sales during the months of November and December, and the increase, if it holds true, would go down as the best since 2006. NRF predicted retail sales overall would increase 2.3% to $447 billion. The figure excludes automotive-related retail and restaurants, and the growth rate is lower than the rolling 10-year average, but it is better than the readings of the past 2 years. NRF noted that jewelers have the most at stake during Christmas season, since holiday sales represented almost 30% of annual sales last year. On the side of store margin, NRF determined that the nation's retailers were heads down, focusing on supply chain cost efficiencies and controlling their inventory levels in order to limit exposure to excess merchandise and unplanned markdowns. This in turn, of course, would help improve margins during this upcoming holiday season. Coming in with a little broader prediction, Deloitte expects retail sales to increase 2% to $852 billion, but this figure represents a 3-month period between November and January and includes all product categories. Deloitte's retail group measured 2009 Christmas sales rose 1%. They predict non-store sales, including internet retail, would increase 15% this year, which is why they tell retailers to focus their attention online. Now, retail insiders held the least optimistic predictions for their Christmas sales. Consultant firm BDO asked retail CFOs what they were expecting in terms of Christmas retail sales growth and came up with a predicted increase shy of 2%. BDO also gave insight into inventory trends at the major retailers. Only 17% plan to increase inventory before this holiday season. 42% will not increase before first half 2011. 83% of CFOs anticipate their online sales channel will grow. Therefore, they were investing in this strategy and paying close attention to syncing up marketing messages online to in-store in order to drive sales. Gold set new highs and silver established its strongest pricing since 1980. Here is a look at how precious metals performed this past week. Be sure to follow us at twitter.com/Rapaport, add us from facebook.com/Rapaport, and check diamonds.net for all the latest industry news.